So guys, how are you? I hope everyone doing good. Welcome back to the live stream after a long time. How's everybody doing? No. And also please mention if you are in this trade or not. We grabbed almost 100 pips from this trade already, and we are stop loss at break even, and our entry at 4050 is still valid. Guys, make sure to like the stream, share it with your friends, and let's start making money. We are already up 370 pips for today. Currently, our this trade is very near to the break even for our early entry 4054, but still 4050 entry is valid below the order block, like the lower level of the order block. Let's see. The 4050 entry is here. But I think as you know, our TP got hit, so we need to be very careful before taking the entry at the order block. Still, our break-even point doesn't hit, so we are waiting for either the price to go up or either to take the stop loss at break-even. So the master, yeah, 4050 lower entry point is still valid, but it's a little bit risky now because already the same setup has given 100 pips of profits. So yeah, we can try here with the same stop loss. The stop loss can be 90 pips, so if the stop loss hit, we have nothing to lose because our TP3 already got hit, 100 pips have been taken. You can manage the risk accordingly. Like the stream guys, and let's hope for the best for this trade. Seems like it is gonna hit the break-even point. If not, then we are good to hold this trade till supply zone and till the upper levels of the supply zone. By the way, this supply zone is just a 5-minute time frame high wick candle to the downside. That's why the size of this supply zone is way much bigger, but it's actually on the 5-minute time frame, so this supply zone is like 60-40% risk to reward. You see on the 15-minute time frame, it's just a big wick, and same is the case for 30-minute time frame and all others time frame. So this supply zone is just valid for the 5-minute time frame. If we do not get any kind of rejection by touching the lower entry, lower levels of the supply zone, then that means supply zone is gonna invalid. And on higher time frames like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, the gold is very bearish, very bearish. Seems like on higher time frames price still wants to go below this SSL level here, so which is 3959. 4-hour time frame is still very bearish, and 1-hour time frame is kind of sideways and neutral because following this range, this one. And if we draw a golden zone near 4109 level, and it can be a massive sell from here. 4109 can be a massive sell, but remember, if it's a massive sell, there the stop loss can be a little bit, so we need to manage the lot size accordingly if the price goes there. If the price goes to the upside, the price action can be like this way, can move like this: 4087, then rejection, then 4092, then like 200 300 pips of rejection to 4072. After hitting this breaker zone, then it can go up to 4109, then it can go straight to the downside near 4029 4056 levels. Otherwise, it can go up a little bit, takes the liquidity sweep, and then go down. So these are the two possible conditions for this golden zone level, this one. Our BE hit, break even hit or not? Yes, the break even point not hit. We have entry at 4054, not 4055. Our entry is at 4054, not 4055, but yeah, it is very near. I think can hit the 4054 is written. Guys, make sure to like the stream, and let's get ready for analyzing lower entries, 4050 levels. Break even gonna hit very soon. Okay, give me some time. I need to mark indicator. This indicator actually saves a lot of time marking the change of characters, order blocks, fair value gaps. Obviously, I saw these levels, but drawing themselves takes a lot of time. So yeah, this indicator is very helpful. Saves a lot of time. You guys can also use that. It is ICT Concepts by Luxelgo. I think one of the best ICT related indicators. There are few more like SMC Concepts by Luxelgo, ICT Concepts by Luxelgo, and there are many more like them. But I believe ICT Concepts by Luxelgo is the best indicator. Okay, our BE got hit. So we can mark this trade as closed. Now we can look for the lower entries. Hello Nisar, how are you, bro? Hello, Indian government. How are you? Uh, yes, Crazy Alien. We can go there, the 4,000 level. Overall, gold is bearish, and I believe it should go down. But currently, it's just giving a little pullback to recover this big sell, which we have grabbed successfully last night. It's just a kind of liquidity take sweep kind of thing. Once the price reach 4050, wait for my confirmation, guys. Don't enter randomly that level. We have this big demand zone down there at 4008. This can be a massive buy opportunity. We can easily get 600 to 800 pips from this level 4008. The massive buy opportunity down there. This one is also a good opportunity to take a buy, but it can give almost 200 pips of profitable moves. Yeah, but this is a massive buy opportunity down there 4008 to 3999 level. Massive buy opportunity. So guys, we can also trade gold on the weekends now. On Vantage markets, if you can search XAUUSD 24/7, you will see uh, that version of gold which is also available on weekends. This one. This gold is now available to trade on weekends. Search XAUUSD 24/7. You can find out that on MT5 if you are logged in with Vantage markets. But yeah, obviously there will be very less volatility during the weekends because the central banks are closed and there is no kind of big whales type of moves. So yeah, on the weekends market will be very slow. Okay, the Boza Master is saying liquidity grab and then bull run till 4100 sweeping the 4 or time frame gaps. Let's see, bro. We can check that. Okay, from the previous level 4022, it was a previous swap zone from where the price got rejected. This level is critical. We get a liquidity sweep and a big candle taking the demand zone of at 4008 level. Let me draw the candle structure so you can understand. If the price action goes like this and somewhere at this moment like 4032 the price goes down, breaks the swap zones and leaves a big wick to the downside, taking the demand zone from 4008 or somewhere between 4005 or 4000 levels. After giving us a big wick on 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame, and after taking the liquidity down there, because wherever the demand zone and supply zones are present there is liquidity pending down there. So after taking these levels it can go up to 4100 or at least 4060, 4070, 4075 levels. So this can be the possible case. But yeah, remember, liquidity sweep of this swap zone is must, and the liquidity sweep will be near 4008 levels or 4000 levels, something like that. Once the liquidity sweep has been done at these levels, then it can gives us a possible rejection from here. And I think before market closing today, price can reach probably 4020 or 4015 levels very easily. So on the Monday market opening, we can see the price giving us a big wick to the downside and then going up. So these are the possible scenarios. You can mark these levels on your chart. So if I'm away or unable to give a trade at these levels, you can take that on your own, because I have explained you the strategy and the working, how the price action can move. Seems like price is going to hit 4050 levels. Let's see. On 15-minute time frame, we have a 200 EMA line. On 5-minute time frame, we have 50 EMA line, and support the 4050 entry levels for a while only. And if we draw the golden zones from the swing low to the swing high, this is saying we can buy at 4037 and 4030 with a stop loss at 402824, something like that. And this can be a good buy here, can be a good buy trade there with these possible targets. Yeah, it's just hypothetical analysis right now because price is so much far away from level. From Monday, I am gonna start $100 challenge soon, where I will be making videos of a live $100 account, and the challenge will be convert that $100 account to 1000 in the first phase and 10,000 in the second phase. I don't think, Cosmo Master, I don't think so. In government, we have pending order at 4050, but I don't think this is gonna work, because you can see at 4051.1 from this level the price rejected very hard, like giving 70-80 pips move. If it rejected from this level, we can enter, and you can see now it is going to the upside 4059. So now if the price goes down to take the 4050 entry, it will be invalid, because it is just rejected from 4051, which is only 10 pips away. So yeah, this is the big reason I think 4050 can be invalid now. If it hit 4050 and then gives a move like this, we should have put the stop loss at break even immediately and grab that move. But yeah, by just 10 pips of difference, the price rejected very hard, giving almost 100 pips of move in just a minute. That's how price action works actually. We waited for price to give us 100 pips of profits here, and it took almost 30 minutes. 400 pips of profit. And now in just 5 minutes, sorry, in just 1 minute, the price gives 100 pips of profit. And now we'll see what will be the next direction of the price. But yeah, only 1 minute and 100 pips. And previously we waited almost 30 minutes for the price to give us this 100 pips of profit at TP. Overall the day is very slow, because in just a while we will see flash PM flash PMI news. It's a medium impact news, so it will give us a little impact on gold. Here it is, flash manufacturing PMI and new home sales. On 1 minute time frame, let's see if we can get any chance. Four zero four eight, 4045, and these two are the possible rejection levels. Hello Nashwa bro, how are you after a long time? Welcome back to the stream. Guys, make sure to like the stream, guys. The price has just taken sells buy side liquidity on the 4062 level. Oh, that's good, Nashwa. So when you are going back to home on the normal routine, I hope your vacations are going good. We need to analyze the oil condition as well. Where the oil is at almost $90 again. Alright, Nashwa bro. Looking forward to see you back. Oil prices are again increasing, and the next level of rejection can be at 90.52 and 92.05. All depends on Iran. And if we check the US dollar position, let's see, the dollar is at 101 level, very near to the rejection level. Yeah, after taking the liquidity sweep, it can go down. On 1 hour time frame, it's a swap zone resistance at this level. 30-minute time frame is the order block, 15-minute time frame is the order block. So from this level, dollar can get some rejection to these levels, 101.362 and 101.25. So when the dollar will be giving this little rejection, we can see the gold reaching $4,100 level. 5 minute time frame. We need one good entry for today, just like we did in the morning, and grab 360 pips. So just need one more trade for the day, mark our day end. I'm looking for such an entry which can move our target to 600 700 pips for the day. Five-minute time frame is 1 minute time frame is very silly. I don't think it's worth it to watch the 1 minute time frame because these are very small scalp trades like 50 pips, 60 pips, 80 pips, and this is not my style of trading. Now we have two opportunities. One is a sell from supply zone from this level, and other is a buy zone at 4037 level, or probably a good supply zone here as well, 4092, but obviously it's very far away. So these two are the levels. Buying the dip, brother, it's a sell trend, so buying the dip is really very difficult these days. But yeah, the dip which I have marked almost a month ago, which is near 3700 and $3800 levels, these are the actual real dips from where we can get a massive buy opportunity. Like if we can get the buy trade from 3800 level or 3700 level, we can hold the trade till $6000 or $7000 levels. It's that much big, massive opportunity. Let me show you on the weekly time frame chart so you guys can understand how much potential that trade has. Three eight eight five, 3813, and 3700. This area is a massive rejection area. If we can grab a trade from here, then we can easily can catch almost 10,000 to 15,000 pips of trade very easily. With the stop loss, yeah, obviously will be above 1000 pips. So yeah, if we open only 0.01 lot and let's say 0.03 lots, it can give us massive 7,000 8,000 dollar profit very easily. It depends on your account balance actually. If you have spare $1000, then you can take this trade as a risk by opening almost 0.03 lots, risking $500, and you can make almost $7,000 to $8,000 very easily with $1,000 balance. This is confirmed rejection zone from these levels 3885, 3702. These two are the possible, very possible, highly possible rejection zones. As you can see, whenever price makes big bullish candles, there always a retracement will come after that. So if you see the past days, Just if you see the past days, you can see price was making high, again high, all-time highs again and again by making big bullish candles. So whenever you see price making higher highs again and again by big bullish candle, always a massive rejection will come from those levels. And currently we are watching the rejection area, retracement area, and whenever you see price making lower and lower lows again and again with highly engulfing bearish engulfing candles, then that means in just a short period of time we can see massive big bullish candles again. Overall, if you see the daily time frame, you can understand the body size of bullish candles are actually small on the daily time frame. For example, if we take this candle 4667 to 4769, almost 100 pips of move in just a single day. Sorry, 1000 pips of move in just a single day. Then again same, again same, again same, and at the top it was again same. But when the retracement comes, you can see it was inverse fair value gap type candle, which covers almost 70% of the bullish moves from the past 1 week or probably 2 weeks in just a single candle. It was a first and massive gold drop which gold has seen in the history. Almost 10,000 pips were moved to the downside, and again you can see the price goes again to the downside to 4423, again a pullback 5362 hit. People thought from here we can break the previous high and we can reach $6,000 level, and after that institution again start selling and we see 4090 level. Then again a little pullback, again highly bullish candles, sorry, bearish candles, and that's it. Now we have gold at 3938 in the past few days ago. Now once we hit these levels, we can see the gold making big bullish candles like these ones, 1000 pips, 10,000 pips move in just a single day to the upside. This is possible scenario. I am not making a joke. This is really very possible scenario. I will cut these words from the live streams and will upload a video on the YouTube as well, because yeah, I am damn sure about this. You guys will see massive bullish candles once these levels got hit, or liquidity sweep of these levels. By liquidity sweep I mean price can go up, go down, go up, go down, and leaves a big wick to the downside near 3700 levels, 3650 levels, 3750, or probably 3800 levels. Any of these levels, after giving us a big wick to the downside, taking the stop losses of people, then it can make big bullish candles which can cover almost 10,000 pips in just a single day or just in a few weeks. So yeah, this is a possible scenario. Gold always follow Newton's third law. If you see, if you have read about the Newton's third law, every action has a reaction. So previously this was the action and this was reaction. The action takes almost 7 days and the reaction takes almost 1 day, and it covers the full bullish gap. Full bullish imbalances were covered in just a single day. Again we saw that uh, 10,000 pips of move in just a single day. It covers almost all of the bullish imbalances down there, and now the price is just going down slowly. So when the day arrives and the price goes down there, you guys will see definitely big bullish candles like making 1000 pips, 10,000 pips in just a single day, leaving a small wick to the downside or probably a big wick to the upside. Then again next day 500 pips or sorry 500 pips, 1000 pips of move in the next day, then again 1000 pips of move next day, again probably 10,000 pips or similar like that, 8,000 pips move in the next day, until unless gold hit $6,000 level. So this is the very possible and yeah, once in a lifetime opportunity, a kind of that you guys can easily make your account like 7 times or 10 times very easily from these levels. Yeah, $6,000. Gold will definitely hit $6,000 level very easily. I will going to cut out these words which I have explained on the live streams and will make a video on this and will upload on the YouTube as a proof. Nashwa, it will not take few nights. It will take almost 3 months probably to reach $6,000 level, but the initial spark can be probably 10,000 pips and 1500 pips, like something like that. The initial spark will be triggered with 10,000 pips in just a single day, something like that. Yeah. Just as you can see, gold started its bearish momentum at 5 5594 level. Gold started its bearish momentum at 5594 level, and it's been almost 179 days, which is almost for 6 months probably. It takes almost 6 months for the gold to reach these levels, and currently gold will again take almost 1 to 2 months more to reach these levels, 3700 and 3800 level. So yeah, after that, in by the next the last quarter of this year, we can see the bullish momentum, and the spark will be given by 10,000 pips, 7,000 pips of move in just a single day. Yeah, we can easily wait for the 3 months if we can grab this opportunity. Personally, which I am thinking right now, I will risk $10,000 on this these levels. Will open almost zero point 0.5 lot or probably 1 lot, and will target this big move. So yeah, it can be $100,000 or probably even more than that in just this single trade. And hopefully I will start copy trading before the gold will reach these levels. Lol. Okay, coming back to our original chart to grab some good trades for the day. The gold is at till 4056 level. Yes, if you can afford only $1,000 risk, then you are eligible to take this trade, because below $1,000 balance, I don't think it is safe to grab this trade, because below the $1,000 balances, those account can be washed very easily even with 0.01 lot. Guys, make sure to like the stream. That's good, Nashra. When we'll see this big move, I don't think going with just 0.01 lot can be reasonable thing, because it's kind of once in a lifetime opportunity when you are grabbing such kind of big moves, like 10,000 pips, 15,000 pips. So yeah, I think you guys should go with 0.02 or at least 0.05 lots. So at least at the end of the big move, you guys can have an extra 10,000 or $15,000 in your account. Just $1,000. Yes, you can mark 3885 and 3702 levels. 3885 and 3702. The area between these two levels is just a buffer zone. From any point we can see the rejection. But yeah, hopefully we will see the price hitting 3700 before giving that big move. It will take months, so you can manage and plan your such trades. Yeah, crazy alien, you are right. So true. Once you have 2000 euros your bank account, you guys can do normal trades very perfectly. Can make your everyday life like you guys can live peacefully in your everyday life with $2000 or 2000 euros in a trading balance. Crazy alien, at this weekend I need to see how the market moves, because central banks are closed on the weekends, so there will be very low volatility in the gold. So it depends on the price action. As you guys can see, still 4050 does not hit, and price is still trying to go up to hit at least this supply zone. But yeah, we are out of this trade at break even. Copy trading, I am currently working on that. Let's see, it depends. Vantage markets actually support copy trading, so probably I will go with them. But yeah, I need to do some research. The broker has also invited me to the event in the Dubai. So once I will be there meeting the officials from the broker, I will ask them about the copy trading and things like that in person. Yes, Bozo Master. That can help everyone to grab all the signals which I'm gonna release and all those trades which I'm gonna enter for my own account. Because besides signals, I usually trade even more on my own account. I think we should give it a try on 1 minute time frame. Seems like 1 minute time frame can give us some entry. Or at the double top we can do a sell, or at the supply zone we can do a sell as well. But the problem is stop loss. On the supply zone the stop loss can be a bit higher. 4067 first entry, 4075 second entry, 4078 can be our stop loss. Okay, it's almost 100 pips of stop loss. All right, it is considerable. With the targets of 4037 can be the maximum target. No, 4028 or 25 can be the maximum target. So it can be 1 2 3 restore reward. I think this trade setup is considerable. Can take a trade. If we mark the supply zone according to 1 minute time frame, then actual supply zone can be from 4071 to 4075. But I don't think the 1 minute time frame supply zone can give us such a big potential trade. We should look on 5 minute time frame. Alright, we can try a sell from this supply zone. We can do that. Yeah. I will write the levels and the TPs once the price will reach this area. The first TP is confirmed. It will be 4064 or 63, because as you can see, this is now acting as a resistance area. This area, once broken, this will act as a swap zone, and yeah, the first hurdle in our way. Rest of the TPs I will decide later on, but yes, the stop loss can be 4078.5, and the first entry can be 4067, second entry can be 4075. And to be careful, we can also do that. The price goes above and leaves a big wick to this level. We can do a small layer addition here and then wait for the price to give us a retracement to these levels like 4065. Then we can close the lower entry 4067 and can go with only 4071 entry. I think Definitely the price when going to break this level, this resistance area, it is going to leave a big wick to the upside. Once the price leaves a big wick to the upside, the possible area of rejection can be 4069, 70, and 71 probably. Guys, make sure to like the stream. I am only watching 7 likes till now. That's not fair actually. Let's see how much time we have left in the news. We have still, oh damn, we still have 2 hours. That's so much big time. We can even watch a movie. I'm also gonna start live streams with the webcam very soon. Currently working on the setup with the webcam. I think the live streams can be funny, can be engaging, and can be whatever you can say. Yeah, you can solve me. Let's wait for the price to comes to the level 4037 from the downside and 4067 to the upside. Guys, let me know, do you want a small test entry at 4050 again? Let me know in comments. You want 4050 or 4049 entry, small test entry? We can give it a try again. Seems like price wants to go sideways before the news. So even if it's sideways, it can give us 100 pips more profits. Yeah, I don't think. We can try it. Price actually rejected again from 4052. Seems like when it reach 4050 level, can give us a liquidity shield to the downside and probably can hit 4045 and 4043 levels. So yeah, let's wait. We don't need to do rush. As you can see, it again rejected from same 200 EMA line, which is making some liquidity to the downside. Better to wait and look for more possible good entries. Okay, we can try sell here. We can try sell here. Let me write in the VIP first. Our entry was at 4056. Seems like we can reach 4010 in this, or 4020. Let's target 4020 for this trade. If we see a potential, we can move our final TP to 4010. Okay, we are active in this trade and the price already hitting the TP1. Stop loss is 4069. Seems like we can get a good and great fall from this level or from 4060 level. Uh, when I said gold sell now, the price was at 4056 or 55 and just hit 4051, is near TP2. Currently it is at TP1, so TP1 got hit already. And let's see, seems like we can get a great fall. Great, already hit. Price action is actually very slow today. You know, it's a Friday, and on Fridays usually market is always very slow. Yeah, we have an active trade right now. Hope for the best. Oh, for the best. Hey guys, I was just analyzing this week's stats, and you guys will be amazed to know that till now we are up 4500 pips this week. I was just analyzing the signals I have shared in the VIP group, and those were amazing. This week was started on 22nd July. Yes, 22nd July. On the very first day of this week, we grabbed check for the exact numbers. Okay. Uh, good. 20th July. All right. I was looking at 22nd July. It was 20th July. Okay, on the very first day of this week, we grabbed 860 pips. On Monday, we grabbed 860 pips. On Tuesday, we grabbed 1060 pips. On Wednesday, we grabbed, let's try it again. A moment. Yes, on Wednesday we grabbed 1050 pips. On Thursday we grabbed, yesterday we grabbed again 1600 pips, I think. 24th July. Yes, 1640 pips. 1640. And today till now we grabbed almost 360 for the previous trade, 100 for this trade, 380 for this trade, 100 for this trade, and I hope this trade will hit the final TP. Till now 480 pips for the Friday. So you can calculate, we are up almost how much is it? My math is actually very slow. I need to use calculator. 860 plus 1060 1050 1640 and 480. Oh, sorry, it is 5000 pips, guys. 5000. Amazing. Yes, Crazy Alien. I keep the paid VIP for those who can't open the account with a broker, because currently I am working on United States and Canadian brokers, but currently they are not accepting my European documents. But yeah, I hope North America region can get solved. This problem will get solved very soon. And for the Netherlands, Netherlands is very strict country, so yeah, I need to look for some other things for Netherlands, and there are two more countries in Europe like Austria and Netherlands, and one was, I think, what was the name of that country? Estonia. Yeah. So these three countries are not accepting the vantage markets. Overall, in the whole Europe, vantage markets is available and legally verified by the European Union. So yeah, the paid VIP is only for few country people like United States, Canada, Netherlands, Estonia, Austria, whereas almost full Africa and almost full Asia is covering under the vantage markets. And yeah, excluding these three countries in the Europe, every other country is covered in the vantage markets. Okay, so where I was in this week, we grabbed net pips 5090. This is amazing number, guys. Like if you started with $100 account in the on the first day, and you opened almost 0.02 or 0.03 lots, so your account can be $1,000 or $1,500 very easily, like 2 times, and sorry, 10 times or 10 times to 15 times probably. Yeah, with 0.02 lots your account can be 10 times, and with 0.03 lots your account can be 15 times increased on just $100 account. So it was a massive number. This week was overall very amazing. We just hit two stop losses in this week, and both of the stop losses was very small. In the first stop loss we lost almost 60 pips, and in the second stop loss which we hit yesterday we lose almost 70 pips. Congratulations to all who have made massive money this week. Okay, the price is again rejected a little bit from the 4051 level, which is 200 EMA. If we hit full TP in this trade, our Friday closing can be above 1000 pips as well. So yeah, it can be 5500 pips. I don't want this trade to hit the stop loss. Don't want to see this number below the 5000 level. The highest we achieved in June was 4200 pips in just a single week. It was the highest number which we achieved in June, and in this month we achieved 5090 pips in just a single week. What I can say more, guys, it is like generational money in front of you, and you guys are missing a lot. Okay, 4057 4060 I think can be triggered. I entered one small lot at 4057 as well. Just a small lot. And the news is gonna release in till 1, or probably, let me check. The news is gonna release in 45 minutes, so we still have some time. My first entry is at 4056, second entry is at 4057.8, and yeah, let's see. Hope for the best. I think we can at least, if you ask me which level we can hit at least, that is 4037 and 4028. These two are the minimum levels I think which we can achieve. So yeah, hope for the best. Hold this trade. All right. 4057 and 4056 both trades are running in 40 and 30 pips. Personally, let it hit TP2 first. Let it hit TP2 4050. Let's go down to TP2 4050. Yeah, crazy alien, very strict. Very near to our TP2. Let it hit TP2, then I will let it hit TP2, at least TP2 4050. So I can close the 4056 entry and can hold 4057 entry only. At TP2, I will close the 4056 entry and will hold 4057.8 entry only. Uh, Both of these brokers, I don't know about them, even though I heard their names for the first time, Crazy Alien. And what if I somehow get signed up with the eToro and trading 212 broker, but I don't think they are gonna work outside Netherlands in other countries. I think they are specifically for Netherlands. By the way, you can use your Romanian ID card and documents for registering with Vantage Markets. In Romania, the Vantage Markets is available. You can use those documents. And yeah, the deposit and withdrawal process can be instant for you as well, because you can use your Romanian documents, and yeah, you can receive the withdrawals in Pay, Revolut, and PayPal, something like that. Give it a try. I think it is possible. You are actually Romanian national, so I think you can do that. Don't worry. Oh, let it hit TP2, please. Yeah, Bozwa, that can be good, because uh, at the very first, I'm gonna announce copy trading for the VIPs only. Okay, TP2 got it. I closed my 4056 entry, and now I am just holding 4057 entry. 60 pips achieved from the 4056 entry, and 4057 is still running, which is running actually very good. Let's get this waterfall. 4048. Let's go down. Let go. Let's go down. Go down. Go down. 4037 can be a potential point, guys. We can see a possible rejection from there. So once the 4037 got hit, make sure to close your 80% of the trade at 4037, or some 70% of the trade is good as well, and hold only 20 or 30% of your trade to target 4020 levels. Because if you see the 3-minute time frame, I have marked previously at 4037 there is golden zone, so possibly we can see rejection from there. Yeah, anyways, TP3 is very near to hit, so let me give the update in the group as well. There is TP2 hit, and now that TP2 got hit, we have TP3 very near. All right, TP3 got hit. Congratulations, TP3 got hit, and live stream people and the people on VIP must be printing some good money. Now we have TP4, which is at, let me check for the level 4040. Yeah. Oh, sorry, 4044. That's good, Nashwa. Enjoy your profits. 4046 running. Let's go down. Let's hit 4037 at least. That's amazing, Nashwa. Congratulations for your profit. You can enjoy your vacations now. You are always welcome, Nashwa bro. Always welcome. You guys are always very near to my heart because you guys are the those ones who are supporting me in my early days on YouTube. So yeah, and I love you guys. Love you all. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for trusting me in my early days. Thanks a lot, bro. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks a lot, Alex. It's a sniper entry. Now that we have almost 100 pips running, we can put the stop loss at break even, guys. So this trade is risk free now. Nashua bro, when you get back from the vacations, just let me know. I have uh yeah, I have saved a seat for you, a spare seat for you. So yeah, just let me know when you get back from the vacations. 4045. Let's hit 4037 at least, guys. All right, so 4044. I think 4044 got hit. Yes, 4044 got hit. TP4. That's amazing. What a sniper entry, guys. Amazing. I'm loving in this trade. You are very welcome, bro. You can enjoy your weekend. Have a good day. And so the actual numbers of this week net pips are increasing. We are up 5,000, and how many pips are there? 120. If we add 120 in this, will be the number 5210. 5210. 5,200 pips achieved in this week so far. And if we hit the final TP, that number can be amazing. I'm just imagining 5500 level, lol. Thanks a lot, bro. Thanks a lot. Okay, seems like from 4044 price trying to give a retest of this 200 EMA line, but don't worry, this 200 EMA line is, I think, a strong point. From here price can give a little rejection if hit, only. I can understand crazy alien, but I think you should do some research on this. I think this is possible. Don't worry. People from Italy also following me on Vantage Markets, and Vantage Markets is uh, currently not available in Italy, I think. Let me check. What was the list? Yes, Vantage Markets is not available in Italy, but there are few people in VIP who are following me from Italy, and they have multiple documents. One of them is from Germany, and one of them is from France. So both of them are using Vantage Market by using their German and French documents. Italy is also a very strict country, but their prime minister is very good. That's nice, crazy alien. Well, if we break 4044, then 4037 is next level, and then 4020 is next level very easily. Four zero double four, if got broken, which I think will be going to break very soon. As you can see, this is a very minor support area. Once we break this level, then 4037 is the major liquidity level, and then if we break 4037 area, then definitely 4024 4020 are the next possible level. And yes, obviously, once we reach the 4024, we are gonna buy. We are gonna enter in a buy trade once we reach 4024. Guys, please make sure to like the stream now. Five thousand 210 pips. Thanks a lot, Crazy Alien. Yes, you should be positive. Positivity always attract positive things. Negativity always attract negative things. The basic rule. So guys, I'm back. We will hold this trade, don't worry. The price action is just risky little bit, and the news is just gonna release in just 30 minutes, no, sorry, 20 minutes. So yeah, let's hold this trade. I think news will be on our side. The price can go down, so just hold the trade. It will take only one big wick to the downside and the 4037 level can be triggered. So yeah, you need to take care of your entries, and you need to put keen eyes on the entry points. So yeah, hold the trade guys. Just 20 minutes left. The thing we just need is price should stay consistent at 4046 4044 levels before the news. This is the only thing which we need, and yeah, definitely the news on our side as well. Sorry, I was away. Okay, what's the situation of the market? Let's check how much time left in the news. Must be 15 minutes, I guess. Yes, 12 minutes left, and the price is at 4049. And 4049 still. We have 12 minutes. I think news can really go to our side and can hit the final TP. We need to wait until the news. The price is currently rejecting from 200 EMA line. Uh, Seems like we are gonna see PMA and 200 EMA cross. So let's wait until the news. We have still 9 minutes left. Should wait for the news. Yes, Bozo Master, I am still holding the trade with a stop loss at break even. I was thinking that the price should sustain at 4045 and 4046 level before the news, but just 7 minutes before the news, the price is gonna hit our break even very soon. I think uh, I don't want that. I actually want to ride the news. But if the stop loss at break even got hit before the news, there is no point in taking any other entry at the exact time of news. But yeah, we can retry taking an entry after 1 or 2 hours of the news. Let's see, 4055, 4056 got hit, and we still have 6 minutes left. The news, I think it will hit the break even. Double top has been, oh sorry, it is not a double top. Double top is way higher. If the news sustain the price at 4060 or something like that, then we can do re-entry at 4060, 4062 types level, and 5 minutes left. Uh, 4 minutes left. We can ride this trade during the news on the downside. That can be good, but as I said earlier, the news is medium impact news, so even if it goes in our direction, it can't go below 4037 just on the news base. We need technical power, SMC power as well to break 4037 level. And if we check on these levels, well, I think this demand zone can work. So there is pending liquidity down there as well. Price should go down. All right, 3 minutes left. Okay guys, only 1 minute left. The news. Get ready. We are still in the trade. Let's see if we can break the low of 4044 and can hit 4037 and 4024 levels. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Get ready guys. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. News has been released. The data is loading right now. Let me check. The data is loading. The 3.8 below than the forecast. Entry. Neutral effect. I think this the neutral effect only. We are still holding the trade with stop loss at break even guys. Seems like this will be the neutral effect. Because the actual data is just little lower than the forecast and the previous data. Sunny bhai, actually the price action is following neutral effect for the gold on the news. As I said earlier, this is the medium impact news and there is not big difference between the previous data and forecast. If price goes to 4060 or 4064, that can be better levels for sell with the same stop loss of 4069. Otherwise we will hold this trade until unless our break even doesn't hit. Double five. Seems like it's gonna hit the break even point. 5, 6, 5. Like, come on, just do it. If you want to hit the break even, just do it. If not, then go down straight. It is playing with me. Actually, it's playing with my mind right now. Double five. Yeah, Alex, you're right. All right, break even got hit. Now we have two opportunities. One is 4063 or 64 probably with the same stop loss, and the other one is 4067 with the stop loss at 4077. For this entry, I need confirmation. For this entry, it applies on. But yeah, 4064 can be possible entry with the same stop loss. Let me write it, 4064. Obviously, TPs are gonna change because where lower TPs will be same. We just need to change the upper TPs. Okay, in just 10 minutes, there is one more news. New home sales. In just 10 minutes, there is one more news about new home sales. Oh, tomorrow in the early morning, President Trump is gonna speak at 8 a.m. New York time. That means on Monday, market will open with a gap to the downside because Trump always speaks shit about war and something like that, and then gold started again going down. So yeah, uh, I will make a plan and will drop that plan in the VIP group about Monday market open sell trade or a buy trade because obviously Trump is gonna speak. That means the price will open with a big gap to the downside probably, uh, and there are very less chances that price gonna open with a gap up. So yeah, I will make a plan, do some research on this before the President Trump speech. So yeah, we'll drop the research tonight. 4061, 64, and 69. Exactly, bro. Trump is really what I can say, bro. He's just making his own money. His net worth has been increased by $5 billion in 4 days. So there are two plans now. One is a sell from 4064. The other one is a sell from 4067. The stop loss of the 4064 entry will be 4069, the similar one which we are using for the previous entry. And for the entry at 4067, oh, these two trades will be merged between trades. Let me think. If we do entry at 4064 with the stop loss at 4069 and second entry at 4067 with stop loss of 4078, then if the price goes up, takes the middle order of the second setup at 4070, that means the stop loss of the first entry will be triggered. That means we should only go with single entry. That means we should only go with single entry at 4067. Seems like a better option. because 4064 stop loss is merging with the stop loss of the supply zone. So I think we should only go with one setup. This is a sell setup from 4067 with stop loss of 4077. uh, let's see, need to wait for the news just coming in 6 minutes. This is about new home sales. It's again medium impact news. The previous data was 5,000 and 580,000 and 609 and this number is definitely going to the downside. The data of the new home sales can be the range of 590 or 600, I think. And if the data comes below the forecast levels, that means gold is gonna pump again. For just a while. Okay, 4 minutes left. Uh, 3 minutes left, guys. Heading toward the 4064 level. Okay guys, thankfully we did not enter because the news is just as predicted is bullish, and the price hit 4069. I think we are going to break this supply zone because this is bullish engulfing candle. I might be wrong because sometimes at the bullish engulfing candle, the next candle goes back to fill the gap. But due to the news, I think it becomes very risky to take the entry at 4067. But yeah, we did good by taking no entry at 4064 because if we did that, our stop loss must have been triggered. So now we have 4067. The analysis says it all, guys, and you guys can learn a lot with these two planned setups, which we did not triggered actually. As you know, I was saying that we should not take entry at 4064 because there are two reasons. One is the news. Second is our stop loss can be merged between the supply zone and the other things. So we did not enter in 4064 entry. The second is 4067 entry, and it seems like the price really wants to break this supply zone. 4070 has been triggered, has been hit. So let's see. I think the data is actually way higher. Wait, this is now making confusions. We have bullish engulfing candle just below there, so it becomes very risky to take a supply zone entry. I am generally not feeling confident in this trade. I'm not feeling confident in this trade. It is looking like a trap for me and for everyone who trade demand and supply zones. It's looking like trap. So for today, we grab 380 pips from this sell zone, 100 pips from this buy, 130 pips from this sell. So that means we have achieved 610 pips so far today. Now we need to watch if this supply zone breaks or if it works. But generally, I am not feeling confident on this supply zone trade. I don't know why, but kind of inner gut feeling that this supply zone is not gonna work because of the news and the bullish engulfing candle. But yeah, this is market. We need to wait. But we look for the tech price action. We can only risk our money on the A plus setups, not on those where we are feeling confused. Yeah. Alright guys, it seems like the price is very confused as well, just like we are. So I think we should avoid this trade because our capital only deserves those trades having A plus setups. Okay, so I am ending the stream for now. Congratulations to all who have made some good money today. And if there is any next setup, I will drop that signal in the group. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye for now. Take care, have a good weekend ahead, and enjoy your profits. Make sure to like the stream, guys, and bye for now. I will drop the next signal in the group.